Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing one of the best Forex trading MA indicator. MA indicators show bullish and bearish market trends and gives buy and sell Forex trading signals. The MA indicator is a moving average based complete trading system with entry point, stop loss and take profit. Moreover, the indicator provides buy and sell trading signal alerts. Furthermore, the indicator displays the signals as triangles on the price charts. As a result, Forex traders can trade successfully using this indicator. Both new and advanced Forex traders can benefit from this indicator. The indicator shows the profitable bullish trading signals from entry to exit signals as green triangles. Similarly, the indicator displays as red triangles on a profitable bearish trading signal from entry to exit. Alternately, the failed trading signals are displayed as yellow triangles. Moreover, the short-term moving average is plotted on the price chart as aqua and the long-term moving average is plotted as gold lines. So let's start to look trading rules of this indicator. The upward crossover of the aqua over the gold moving average indicates the beginning of a bullish market trend. The best entry point for a buy trade is the appearance of the green triangle, it indicates the buy signal. So, Forex traders can enter the market with a buy position. If the trade moves to a loss, then the green triangle will change to yellow. So, traders should exit with a loss if the yellow triangle changes to red. The best take profit point is at the appearance of an opposite color triangle. Similarly, the downward crossover of the aqua below the gold MA line indicates a bearish trading signal. The best entry point for a sell trade is the appearance of the red triangle. The best stop loss is at the opposite trading signal or the end of the yellow triangle or previous high. Forex traders can book the profits at an opposite trading signal or with a good risk-reward ratio. But my recommendation to book the profit when price reach next SNR level. Take buy or sell trade when green or red triangle appearance on the SNR level. This indicator works all time frame. Avoid trading during news release time. Best trading time European sessions and New York sessions. This indicator system can be used on all currency pair. The MA indicator is a trend-following trading system that is beneficial for trend-following Forex traders. Though the buy and sell trading alerts and stop loss and take profit points are very clear using the moving average Forex trading strategy. Forex traders must use other technical indicators like support and resistance, channels, trend lines, or price action for additional confirmation. Additionally, Forex traders can download the MA indicator for free, link given below video description. I hope you must have understood this trading rules, if not then it doesn't matter, we are going to see examples of some live trade, so that you will definitely understand. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator trading strategy. So let's start now. Here is received by trade signals, here price reverses from support level and by trade signals received. So this is perfect by trade setup as per our recommendations. We place a stop loss on previous low and take profit on next resistance level or previous sell trade entry point red triangle. So let's wait for the result. Here price reach on our take profit level. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.